what's up? It's Sprinkle Slime here, and today I am going to be showing you how to make an icy slime. So, what you're going to need is clear glue. I'm using Elmer's. You also are going to be needing something to mix in, and I'm going to be using a bowl, obviously. And then I'm going to be using some instant snow powder, and I bought this off of Amazon. You can also use plastic snow, but I prefer this kind. Next, you're going to be needing an activator. I'm going to be using a mixture of contact lens solution, baking soda, and water. And then you're also going to need something to mix with. Pour in your glue. I am going to be using about 1 cup of Elmer's clear glue. I'm just eyeing it here, but this is just about 1 cup. You do not have to put 1 cup, you can put half a cup or whatever size you want it to be. Don't forget, later when you add the instant snow, it will become twice the size. Here's the tricky part. Add activator very slowly while mixing. Keep doing this process until you have a texture that you like. Make sure to add small amounts of activator at a time, otherwise your slime will become super hard and stiff. It's normal for your slime to have many air bubbles in it, but that's okay. After a few days it will clear up. Now it's time to add your instant snow. 1 tablespoon of straight up instant snow will be enough. At first, the instant snow won't mix with the slime, but just knead it and you'll feel a fluffy texture in the end. Here is the slime after 5 minutes of kneading. This is what my slime looks like after kneading and letting it sit. It feels like an icy texture and it just makes the most satisfying sound. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some new video ideas down in the comments.